Hey everyone, Steve with TenTable.com. Today I'm here to talk to you about the different tables that we offer here. Although we have many different styles, things that they have in common. So they're all made out of 3/4 inch Russian birchwood, which is a nice solid wood. It's not Luan where it gets all soft and squishy in the weather. So this is a good quality hard wood. They are all sealed on both the top and the bottom of the table. And they're all cut with a CNC machine, which means they're all made exactly the same. So the bolts are always going to be flush. You'll always be able to put replacement parts on these tables should you damage a runner or need new table legs. Everything is always going to match up because of that CNC machining. We also use a crimped on aluminum edge as opposed to the pounded in rubber edge. That's going to give you a nice tight seal on the wood there, not let any moisture get in, and also give you a nice clean finish. So we have a few different styles of tables. Here we have a square table. We offer them a few different sizes. This happens to be a 48-inch square folding table. Over here we have a 6-foot seminar table. Also comes in an 8-foot. Great for classrooms and banquet halls. Maybe you just need a little food table. They work great. Of course, we have our round tables. Well, these are our round folding tables. I believe this is a 36-inch table. We do sell them in a 36 and a 48-inch as well, a 60-inch and a 72. Here we have our cocktail tables. This is at the standing height here. When you buy a cocktail table, it comes with both the sitting height leg and the standing height leg. So when you purchase that, it'll come with both of those, okay? And then we also have our banquet tables. These come in a 6-foot, an 8-foot, I think a 4-foot as well. And of course, to go with the banquet tables, we also have the risers, right? So these are our bar top risers. They basically just clip onto the edge of the tables like so. You screw them in. And here you have a nice bar top setting for this. So if maybe you're at an event where you have a bartender, or maybe you have a couple tiers of food and you have a nice little banquet set up. Great for that. We offer them in the 6-foot, the 4-foot as well. And then of course, last but certainly not least, is our Serpentine tables. Very, very popular. We do make a bar top riser for these guys as well. They only come in one size, these tables, but we do offer them with an inside a bar top riser and an outside bar top riser, depending on how you want to configure that to be. So a lot of different tables, all commercial grade, all high quality stuff. Steve with TenTable.com. Thanks so much, guys.